A quick look at your timestamp. We start at 51. By the afternoon, we'll be around 67 degrees, and then we'll start to reach 75 and even 77 closer to 4 p.m. And then we'll drop slowly by 6 p.m. to 73. So we are going to warm up to that high of 77 is what we're expecting. But we're also tracking the storm that is on its way. We're seeing some dry conditions, but here, the storm that's coming in on Tuesday is looking to bring little to even no rain. We'll get a break on Wednesday. We'll continue to follow that storm to see if we're getting any more high chances of rain. But on Thursday, it looks like we might get a little more rain than the first storm on Tuesday, but it's still going to be weak and it'll come into our area and leave quickly. And as we're looking across the valley, what we can expect, nice sunshine, high 70s all throughout, some calm winds, even just reaching 5 miles per hour. In the mountain communities, we are going to see a little more gusty winds around 15 miles per hour, but we're going to stay in those low 70s for the Kern River Valley. We're going to see Tehachapi high of 65, low of 43, Fraser Park high of 66, low of 37, and in the desert community, we're also seeing some sunshine, those low to even high 70s, and some gusty winds around 15 miles per hour. And as we look at our 7-day forecast, we see this nice sunshine tomorrow, just a gorgeous day. And then on April 1st, we're seeing that 80 degrees. We're excited about that. We're going to still see some warmer temperatures until that next storm comes in, dropping that temperature from 76 to even 73 degrees on Wednesday. It's going to stay a little cooler than those 80-degree temperatures as we continue into Saturday, but we are going to see those warming temperatures for the next few days. Looking at our mountain communities too, again, all sunshine across the board. Look at those high temperatures. Tehachapi 65, even Fraser Park 65. Always good to see some warmer temperatures, especially the mountain communities. You guys have been hit by some cold weather. It's finally here for spring.